Hi everyone, and welcome back to another ANTSIG how-to. Today, we will be unboxing and setting up the AP925 UHF antenna. This UHF antenna is designed and tested in Australia and features a built-in 4G LTE filter to reduce interference. This AP925 antenna is made for prime reception areas which have good signal strength. This box contains one set of instructions, one integrated balun, a mounting clamp, a twist-on RG6F connector, a weatherproof boot, and one prime area antenna, which is comprised of an antenna boom, a small bar element and a seat, 5 V-element caddies, 2 reflector shields, and this brace. For assembling, first lay down the boom with the holes facing upwards and fit the seat over the boom here. Next, place the small bar element over the seat, aligning the holes with a Phillips screwdriver. Tighten the screw until the small bar element cannot move. Attach the loop element to the boom here, whilst ensuring correct orientation. Tighten the wing nut until firm. Slide and clasp the V-element caddy to an available hole in the boom. Ensure the pin clicks into the hole. The arrow should be facing upwards as shown. Repeat until all holes are occupied and all arrows are facing up. Slide in each of the reflector elements into the plastic fixture, making sure they face towards the boom. Ensure they're centered and fully inserted. When planning your installation, neighboring antennas give a good indication of the mounting height, direction, size, and polarization for your location. When mounting, loosen the wing nuts of the U-bolt and pull the U-bolt outwards to provide enough space for the antenna mast to be placed in between. To cable the antenna, you will need this balun boot and a coaxial cable. Fit this balun boot onto the cable. We recommend using RG6 cable for best reception. And finally, slide back the weatherproof boot onto the connector. For any more questions or assistance, visit our website or refer to the contact details at the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.